Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Leonardo AI. Create consistent characters from text to image. And right here, as you can see, I have so much consistent characters. These images are really different from one another, but the characters are really consistent. And for this one, this is going to be the landing page of Leonardo. I have so much videos about this one, so please check it out. Anyway, to get started for this one, make sure we're just using the free trial for now, because I don't want to make a video where there's going to be paid subscription and you guys need to pay first. So I'm going to show everything in free trial. Now the first thing you'll notice is we have 150 credits. This is going to be refreshed every 24 hours. And then these are going to be the prices. We have this changes for each of the prices. And this is going to be the monthly. And now let's get back on the dashboard. Perfect. Now once we're here, the new feature is going to be this one, creating consistent characters. I want you to simply click on this one right there, and they're going to have tips and tricks for you, but I'm going to teach everything you need to know. Simply click on get started, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be the editing platform inside Leonardo, where we're going to focus right now on creating consistent characters. As you can see right here, I have so much consistent characters that I've made so far. Take note, I did not spend a single penny for this one. Even the lowest amount, I did not pay for this one. I also have this one right there. Now I'm going to teach you how to do this one in a very simple trick. So what are going to be the tricks for you is going to be this one. First, if you're not familiar with the legacy or what you can call it, the old version, please go back on the old version user interface by clicking this button right there. Everything is entirely the same, it's just how it looks that's going to be the difference. Alright? Next up, we're gonna need a very well-defined prompt. So how can we create a well-defined prompt if we're not really familiar with it? We're gonna utilize my best friend, my favorite AI for now, and let's go to it right now. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. So we're gonna utilize ChatGPT. As you can see right here, I have a prompt that says, I need a character with the following description, written as a prompt for the Leonardo AI image generator. That's gonna be the first tip. Make sure you tell ChatGPT where are you going to use it. And then for the prompt, make sure you have a very well-defined descriptions. As you can see right here, I have the gender, the name, the age, the occupation, and so much additional information such like the striking blue eyes, her face is beautiful, leader in a rock band, something like that. So I'm just going to copy this one, just edit it just a little bit. For example, I'm going to type in here, now I'm going to go for a man. And then the name for this one is Jason. And then the age, let's go for 50. And then for this one, I'm gonna change it just a little bit. I'm gonna get back to you once I'm done. So welcome back to the video. I have this short description of a man named Jason, 50 years old, billionaire with a gray hair. Click on enter, and we're gonna ask ChatGPT to create us a very well-defined, comprehensive prompt. That's gonna be my first tip for you. Make sure you have a well-defined prompt focusing on Leonardo. So I'm just gonna copy this one and go back on Leonardo. Welcome back to the video. With just simple pasting it right there, we're gonna have this option. And then next up, we're gonna tinker or change the settings here. First up, upon checking, the best results here come from Portrait Perfect. And for the preset style, though Portrait Bokeh is a little bit good, I suggest go for Portrait Cinematic to make it more realistic. For the contrast, make sure this is high. And then for the generation mode, I'm gonna go for fast because quality requires the payment. For the image dimension, this RGB aspect ratio, you can go for 2:3, 1:1, 16:9, that's gonna be by your own preference. Number of images you can choose for this one, but choosing from more than 4 is gonna be for the paid subscription. Private mode, this is just for the paid subscription also, but it does not show to the public your images. For the advanced settings for this one, upon checking, albedo base is going to be the best. And then for the negative prompt, I'm going to enable this one. Just type in what you don't want to see on your photo. For example, blurry, pixelated. I'm going to go for noisy. And then basically for this one, I'm ready, set, go. I'm going to click on the generate. I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. We're going to have these characters right here. As you can see, they're very consistent. Especially, I want to highlight the eyes, right? I have so much characters that I generated for you guys, and we have them right there. This is how they look like. And by the way, to make it look like this one again, the only thing that I gave you is going to be the prompt the settings, and that's it, no payment. However, if you want to take your consistent characters to the next level, I suggest clicking this option right there, click View More, and look for character reference. So what it does is, it uploads an image that you want your character to look like to. And anything from that one, it just gives you an extra mile to upgrade your consistent characters. Anyway, that's gonna be for the paid subscription. The one I showed right here is a workaround for the free trial. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.